Hello dear students, today we will study about the electric potential difference and the electric potential at a point due to a point charge. We will also define the electron volt. Now at first we take the electric potential. Electric potential at a point in the electric field is the amount of energy required to carry unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Here infinity refers to the region beyond the electric field, means a point beyond the electric field will be infinity. So the amount of energy required to carry unit positive charge from infinity to a point in the electric field is defined as the electric potential energy at that point. Next, electric potential difference. The electric potential difference between two points in the electric field is defined as the amount of energy required to carry unit positive charge from one point to the other point. In this case, both points lie inside the electric field. Thus, if V is the potential difference between 2 points in the electric field, then the total work done in moving charge Q from one point to the other point will be W is equal to V into Q, where V is work done per unit charge, which is electric potential difference, and Q is the charge. So, W is equal to V into Q, that is potential difference into charge. From equation 1, the unit of electric potential V will be joule per unit coulomb, which is also known as volt. So, the unit of electric potential is volt. Notes 1. Electric potential is a scalar quantity. 2. V is equal to W upon Q. Hence, the dimensional formula for electric potential will be dimension of work upon dimension of charge, that is mL square T minus 2 upon charge is current into time A into T, which gives mL square A minus 1 T minus 3 as the dimension of electric potential. Suppose this is electric potential, its dimension will be this one. Now we take 1 electron volt, which is also known as 1 eV, the kinetic energy gained by an electron which has been accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt is called 1 electron volt or 1 eV. Thus, 1 eV will be equal to the work done by 1 voltage, work done by 1 volt potential difference on 1 electron. So, work done is voltage into charge. Voltage is 1 volt and charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 to minus 19 coulomb, and we know volt into coulomb gives joule. Therefore, 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to minus 19 joules. Next, we take the electric potential due to a point charge. In figure 1, this is the point charge, and at distance x in the electric field of charge Q, we have a point P where unit positive charge Q dash is equal to plus 1 coulomb is placed. Then the electrostatic force on this unit positive charge at point P will be equal to, from Coulomb's law, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q into Q dash upon distance square x square. Because Q dash is plus 1, therefore this becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon x square, which can be written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q into x minus 2. Therefore, the work done in moving this unit positive charge q dash from point P to P dash through very small displacement dx will be equal to dw is equal to force into displacement f vector into displacement dx vector. This will be force into displacement. Force is q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 x minus 2 and displacement is dx. Here the negative sign shows that the force vector f and displacement vector dx are opposite to each other. Therefore, we have taken here negative sign. Suppose this is equation 1. Now, the total work done in carrying unit charge q dash from infinity to a point A in the electric field of charge q will be the integral of equation 1 from x is equal to infinity to x is equal to r, where r is the distance of point A from charge q. Therefore, integral of dw will be equal to, this is constant, can be taken out of integral minus q upon 4 pi epsilon naught integral x minus 2 into dx from infinity to r. Therefore, integral dw is equal to minus q upon 4 pi epsilon naught integral from infinity to r of x minus 2 into dx, which gives minus q upon 4 pi epsilon naught x power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 from infinity to r, which gives here minus 2 plus 1 gives minus 1, minus minus becomes plus 1. So, we get w is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into x minus 1, which can be written as 1 upon x limit from infinity to r, which gives q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon r minus 1 upon infinity, and 1 upon infinity is 0. Therefore, we get w is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r, and by the definition of electric potential, this work done must be equal to V, because W will be equal to V equal to work done in carrying unit positive charge from infinity to point A.